What's up guys, welcome back to the random channel. Today I'm going to take a look at this affordable digital video recorder for cars or vehicle in general. Anyways, I got this on eBay for around $35, and I guess I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube for car accidents and stuff like that, so I just decided to get one for myself. Okay, let's open this one and see what's going on. Alright, finally, this is the camera and a bunch of stuff in there. We're gonna go over one by one. Okay, so this is a HDMI cable that I gave you, and the camcorder itself. It's plastic built, quite solid. But other than that, I'm not really impressed about the build quality. Otherwise, it has all the features that I needed: LED light, HDMI, and HD video recording. It comes with also the car chargers, which is what I expected, and also the mount, which you can adjust it. Anyway, so I'm gonna focus on this camcorder right here. The screen, you can pop it out, and there's a power buttons, menus, and the modes. Also, it's gonna run with the micro SD card, and let's turn it on. Alright, so here's the menu of this device. There are different modes. It allows up to 1080p video recording, or 720, or either the VGA resolution, but I'm just gonna use the 1080p for this review. And it also has the picture mode. Oh, here is the LED light, so for night recording, but I don't think it's gonna work that well though. The screen itself can be rotated 120 degrees, and let's see what else. So I'm just gonna mount it on this mount right here. And as I mentioned earlier, you can readjust the mount for the best application. Just be sure that it doesn't block your driving visibility. Alright, I'm just gonna take this on a road trip and test the quality of the device. Okay, as you can see those little spots on my windshield, that's because this is Vegas and it's dusty everywhere. I didn't get a chance to wash on my windshield. But anyway, I put on the audio recording, and this is at 1080p resolution. Anyway, so the video quality is very acceptable, although the audio quality is just miserable. And you know, I expected it because today is very windy, and I don't think this is a very fair review. But anyway, so for the price, you should get one of these. You know, I don't see a reason why you should spend more money on something more expensive just for the same video quality. Just because you just want to capture something on the road, you know, shouldn't go more expensive anyway. So, hope you enjoyed it, and just make sure you put a comment, subscribe, and like the video. And thanks for watching. See you guys soon.